Wow, that's nice.
No, that's boring. There's nothing to do.
No.
I don't think they were talking to you.
What?
What are you looking at?
What about y'all?
Yes.
What's going on? What about y'all? I'm over here.
I'm just
I'm just chilling. I don't know.
Get over
You're calling me a villain, dude? Bruh, not cool. Not cool one bit, dude. I'll see you later, losers. I'm gonna like hang with people that are like way cooler than me.
Divine.
I like that.
Huh?
No!
Hello, Polka. Happy birthday.
It's not mine.
Oh, is it not yours?
Take a look around.
And everything. What? Who's Lucas?
I see you.
Heads up.
Stop playing that sound. It's so annoying. Okay.
Where are you going?
Hi, Felty.
What?
I'm having a weird feeling about today. A feeling that something's going to happen. Something bad's gonna happen.
Okay, well, have fun with that, I guess.
What are you looking at?
Huh?
I will not die!
5 times Gumball acted like a...
What is that?
What is it?
Wait.
Oh, who is that?
I don't know.